Hello everyone, and welcome. This is your space to learn, grow, and improve your English in a simple and practical way. Let's begin today's episode.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi everyone, we are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is something many English learners experience.
That's right, you can understand English, you can watch videos, you can read books, you can listen to podcasts.
But when it is time to speak,
your mind suddenly becomes empty.
Ha 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 ha, exactly.
You know the words, but they don't come out.
If this sounds familiar, don't worry, you are not alone.
Millions of English learners around the world have the same problem.
Today we will talk about why this happens and how you can improve.
We will also share useful phrases, real-life examples, and a practice conversation.
So grab your tea, coffee, or water.
And let's begin.
The big problem. David, have you ever met someone who understands English very well but cannot speak it?
Oh yes, many times.
What usually happens?
They listen carefully, they understand everything, but when someone asks them a question, they become nervous.
Yes, then they start thinking too much.
Exactly.
For example, teacher, how was your weekend? Student thinks, weekend, yes, I know this word. How was? Yes, I understand. Okay, now I need to answer. What grammar should I use? What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh?
And after all that thinking,
the teacher is still waiting.
Laughs, poor teacher.
Poor student too.
Understanding and speaking are different skills. Here is something important.
Listening and speaking are different skills.
Understanding English is like watching a football game.
Speaking English is like playing in the game.
You can watch football every day.
But if you never play, you won't become a good player.
Exactly.
Many learners spend years listening.
But they spend only a few minutes speaking.
Then they wonder why speaking feels difficult.
The answer is simple.
They need more speaking practice.
Fear of making mistakes.
I think this is one of the biggest reasons. I agree.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They want every sentence to be perfect.
But perfect English does not exist.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Every day.
Sometimes I forget words.
Me too.
Sometimes I start a sentence and change it in the middle.
That's normal conversation.
English is communication.
Not a grammar competition.
Useful phrase.
It's okay to make mistakes. Example.
Student, sorry. My English is not perfect.
Friend, don't worry. It's okay to make mistakes.
Real life example. Let me tell a story.
Go ahead.
I once met a student named Ahmed.
What happened?
He understood almost everything in English.
That's great.
But he never spoke.
Why?
Because he was afraid.
Afraid of mistakes?
Yes.
Then what happened?
One day he decided to speak for 5 minutes every day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes.
That's not much.
Exactly.
And?
After 3 months, he became much more confident.
Amazing.
He still made mistakes.
But he spoke.
And that changed everything.
Translating in your head. Another common problem is translating.
Oh yes.
Many learners think in their native language first.
Then they translate every sentence into English.
This takes time.
A lot of time.
Imagine this situation.
Someone asks, "Are you hungry?" Instead of answering immediately, you think.
How do I say yes? How do I say a little? Which grammar should I use?
By then, the conversation has moved on.
Exactly.
The goal is to think directly in English.
Start with simple thoughts.
For example,
I'm tired.
it's hot today. I need coffee. This food is delicious.
Small thoughts become big conversations. Useful speaking phrases.
Here are some useful phrases you can use every day. Phrase 1, let me think.
Example.
Friend, what movie do you like? You, let me think. Phrase 2, how do you say?
Example.
You, how do you say this word in English? Phrase 3, can you repeat that?
Example.
You, sorry, can you repeat that? Phrase 4, I mean.
Example.
You, I visited London. I mean, I visited Manchester. Phrase 5,
What I'm trying to say is,
Example.
what I'm trying to say is that practice is important.
The confidence problem. Many learners think they need more vocabulary,
Sometimes they do.
but often the real problem is confidence.
That's true.
They know enough English.
But they don't trust themselves.
Imagine a person who knows 2,000 English words,
That's already a lot.
yet they stay silent.
Because they are waiting to become perfect.
But confidence comes after speaking.
Not before speaking.
Practice conversation.
Let's do a practice conversation.
Great idea. Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thanks.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I went to the park.
Nice. Did you go alone?
No, I went with a friend.
What did you do there?
We walked, talked, and had coffee.
Sounds fun.
It was.
Did you speak English?
Yes, a little. Were you nervous? At first, yes.
And then?
Then I relaxed.
Great job.
Daily speaking practice.
Here's a simple challenge. Speak English for 5 minutes every day.
talk to yourself.
Describe your day.
Describe your room.
Describe your plans.
Anything is okay.
The important thing is speaking. Example.
Today I woke up at 7.
I had breakfast. I went to work. It was a busy day. I am tired now.
Simple English is powerful.
Let's review today's useful phrases.
Good idea. Key phrase 1.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Key phrase 2.
Let me think.
Key phrase 3.
Can you repeat that?
Key phrase 4.
How do you say?
Key phrase 5.
I mean,
Key phrase 6.
what I'm trying to say is.
So, why can you understand English but not speak it?
Because understanding and speaking are different skills.
Because you may be afraid of making mistakes.
Because you may translate too much.
Because you need more speaking practice.
And because confidence grows through action.
Not through waiting.
Start today.
Speak a little.
Then speak a little more tomorrow.
Small steps create big results.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this lesson helped you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is the biggest challenge in speaking English? We would love to hear your answer.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye.